I think it sounds corny to say that one lunch transformed my life, but it's true. We waste over 365 million pounds of perfectly edible food every single day. Hunger is not a scarcity problem. It's a logistics problem. And that's the logistics problem that COPIA has built technology to solve. When people tell me that something is impossible, it's because they can't do it. Their reality doesn't have to be your reality. Because impossible is nothing. It's an opinion. There's never been a better time in human history to be a woman. We have the technology, we have the resources, we have the wherewithal, we have the gumption, we have the hustle, we have the courage. How can you become something that you've never seen? What will the future look like when you succeed? Today, we will be both fierce and female. Today, we will prove that impossible is just another word. Today, we will keep our promise. Today, we will.